G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're just doing a trial run to see the speed test on the NK180, the Newport vessel kayak motor. So I'm going to put it to the test and just see how fast we can get it to go. Anyway, stick with me and let's get into it. So at the moment we're just cruising along slowly, and I'm just going to amp it up, go full tilt, see how fast we can go. I think it kind of sits quite comfortably at top end, about 760. Yeah, on average 760. That's kilometers per hour, of course. Yeah. On the water it feels like it's really cruising. Yeah, I've got to say I'm pretty impressed with it, guys. It's definitely a good investment if you're going to be on the water a bit and want to cover a bit of ground. Awesome, love it. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this quick vid just to show you the Newport vessel NK180 on the Kayaks2fish NextGen 12. Anyway, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot me a comment in the comment section. And as always, if you don't mind liking and subscribing, that really helps me with the channel. Thanks guys, have a great day. Bye.